Nova Electric has been the technological leader in AC power conversion technology since 1966. Nova acquired this position through a dedication to engineering and manufacturing excellence and a design philosophy that ensures the highest degree of product quality and reliability. Our products are designed from inception and specifically built as truly rugged AC power sources, which can be used in harsh environment commercial, industrial, and military applications. These rugged AC power sources have been successfully qualified to military environmental standards, such as MIL Standard 810, MIL Standard 167, MIL S 901, MIL Standard 461, MIL Standard 740, and MIL Standard 1399, with some of our supplies still on full-time active duty after 40-plus years in the field. Nova's AC power source products include true online UPSs, frequency converters, pure sine wave DC to AC inverters, transformers, custom EMI filters, rail inverters, and power distribution units. Robust construction and extremely high reliability are features inherent to Nova Electric's products, which all feature a modular design with field replaceable subassemblies for low MTTR and very high MTBF figures. Equally as important, standing behind each product with the Nova Electric nameplate is a company with over 50 years of experience in the engineering, design, and quality manufacturing of truly rugged AC power sources. The same rugged AC power sources trusted by all major defense prime contractors, all branches of the U.S. Armed Forces, U.S.-friendly forces worldwide, and industrial firms the world over in the most demanding applications in existence. Please contact us today with your requirements.